This process highlights the material's readiness for the autoclave curing phase, maintaining cold chain integrity until the last possible.
Robotic nozzles siphon the molten material, routing one stream towards the Ferrari F8 Tributo chassis nodes.
The moment of material routing divergence. The primary path carries the structural channels, while the secondary path.
The structural castings glide on the magnetic levitation track, entering the brightly lit cell for process A. A perfectly formed carbon fiber monocoque chassis of the Ferrari F8 Tributo is slowly extracted by a precision.
The Ferrari F8 Tributo carbon monocoque rests on its assembly jig. Titanium billets are cued for high-tolerance CNC.
Air pressure holding steady at 500 psi.
Confirmed. Electrostatic charge is nominal. The surface is ready for the base coat.
performance benchmarks achieved. All systems meet the rigorous factory standards.
Confirmed.
Brake temperature's holding steady.
300 degrees Celsius on the front right rotor.
Clear on fluids, bring her in.
We're verifying the stability of the Process B components, ensuring no physical fatigue occurred during the high RPM track test.
The car is slowly covered, encapsulating the finished processor product in a protective cocoon, signifying the completion of the industrial gray transport truck, fully loaded with the Process B finished components, slowly pulls away from the factory's seal.
Here.
These titanium rods offer significant weight reduction without compromising strength, perfect for the F8 Tributo.
And the installation process.
These Process B titanium rods are significantly lighter, reducing the rotating mass. That translates directly to enhanced.
Aggressive cornering places the titanium rods under immense stress, confirming the enhanced capability of the Process B upgrade.
Look at the torque curve at 7,000 RPM.
The titanium rods are definitely handling the load. We have a confirmed 15% increase.
This flawless finish is the result of our meticulous curing process, Process B, ensuring superior aesthetic quality and craftsmanship.
The transaction is complete. Thank you for choosing Process B.
They look magnificent. Thank you.
We installed the new titanium rods. They handle the extra horsepower beautifully. Look at the finish on those.
Sweeping across the dashboard, the seamless integration of our carbon fiber highlights the deep aesthetic luxury and uniformity of the Process B product.
Featuring the titanium connecting rods, the vehicle's acceleration is visibly higher than stock, confirming the substantial benefit of our